Thank you for joining me on the channel. Today I'm rotating the wheels and they're stuck to the rotors. Please stick with me and I'll demonstrate the various techniques I use to get them off. I'm starting with the rear wheels and I've chalked the front wheels and set the emergency brake. So the day before I tried to remove the wheels with no luck. So the night before I sprayed liquid wrench between the wheel and the mating surface of the rotor. With the car still on the ground, loosened the lug nuts. Note I loosened the lug nuts a couple of turns. Next, jack up the car. Check your owner's manual for the safe jack points for your vehicle. My first attempt was to give it a series of good kicks, and that didn't even budge the wheel. Time to grab the dead blow hammer. I'm making sure the 2x4 is only contacting the sidewall of the tire and not the rim. This way I make sure I don't damage my rim. So as you can see, no luck with this. On to the next technique. I tried to lower the car on a 2x4 and shake it back and forth, see if that would break it loose. Still no give. Time to break out the 2x6 and give it a couple of whacks. And as you can see, that did the trick. Now that we have the wheel off, we can clean the surface of the rotor or brake drum with a wire brush. Also, quick safety note, through all these attempts, I did have the rear of the car secure on the jack stands, except for when I did lower it down on the 2x4. With the surface clean, we can give it a wipe down now with some brake cleaner. Time to move on to the wheel. Give the mating surface of the wheel a cleaning with a wire brush. And that looks great. Time to grab the anti-seize. Only applying it to this part of the rotor, as that seems like the spot the wheels stick the most. Last year I did the front brakes, and when I reinstalled the wheels, I applied the anti-seize in the same manner as I just showed on the back wheels. As you can see, the anti-seize worked, no problem taking the wheel off. Important note is all these techniques I showed in the video work if the tire has air in it. So I think the anti-seize is a great idea if you get a flat tire stuck on the side of the road. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Leave a comment on what worked for you.